There's an abomination.
One has one.
I'm taking so long to kill this abomination. Jesus.
Yeah, those pikes are not good.
No, hit his face! No, that definitely should have been a headshot.
Hide.
7.
Yeah.
It's a trip mine made there, and I'm not gonna. I don't know if it's friendly or not. It wasn't friendly. Fun.
Why am I still taking damage? Game, quit glitching out. Thinks I'm still in the acid.
Wait, what?
Heroed acid?
Quit away.
Evan, I'm going to die.
Okay.
Just stay here. Res me. The game thinks I'm in acid. I cannot stop getting hurt.
What does your health bar say? Oh.
Yeah. Alright, we're good.
Alright, she just ran.
Of course she did.
Alright, that's what
My big green tractor caused me to...
Okay.
What the fuck?
Can I clip that?
I just can't.
I don't know if I should have put